Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to exclude audience in Facebook ads. So for this, when you are editing your ad, so there we have audience controls option. So now here you need to click on show more options and there we have audience editing. So you can set minimum age, which is already set to 18, but if you want to set it to 20, you can click on edit and then set 20. Then if you want to exclude custom audience, then you can search for existing audience here. So let's search for males. Okay, you can simply type their name. So now the audience will be excluded from your ad. So in this way, you can exclude audience in your ad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.